Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows cannot find Computer Management.lnk. Make sure you are typed the name correctly and then try again. Let's fix it guys. Just need to click on OK and just close stuff here. Just need to right click on the desktop and select new and select shortcut. Select browse. Just need to go to local disk C, find Windows folder, System32 folder. Just click on the System32 folder and click on OK. And after that, here you need to type slash compmgmt.msc. After that, click on next. Now you just need to name this shortcut as Computer Management. M and C caps letter MANAGEMENT management and select finish. You just need to right click on the computer management shortcut and select show more options and select cut. After cutting this file, you just need to open up a file explorer, go to this PC C drive, select the view on the top and select show and select hidden items. And now you will be see program data folder, double click on it. Now you just need to find Microsoft folder, double click on it. Now find Windows folder, double click on it and find start menu folder, double click on it. Programs folder. Now you just need to find Windows tool, double click on it. In here you just need to right click on the blank area and paste it. Select continue. After pasting the computer management, now you can go back to C drive. Just right click on this PC and select show more options and select manage. And now you can open the computer management guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.